Individual behavior. Perception. Perception is another crucial aspect of individual behavior in organizational settings. It refers to the process through which individuals select, interpret, and organize information from their environment to give meaning to their experiences. Perception influences how individuals perceive themselves, others, and the world around them, shaping their attitudes, behaviors, and decision-making processes. Let us discuss the key points in perception. In selective attention, individuals selectively attend to certain stimuli, while ignoring others based on their interests, expectations, and past experiences. This selective attention influences what information individuals notice and how they perceive their environment. For example, employees may focus on feedback that confirms their existing beliefs or biases while disregarding contradictory information. Interpretation and attribution. Individuals interpret and attribute meaning to the information they perceive based on their cognitive schemas or mental frameworks, which are shaped by their past experiences, cultural background, and socialization processes. Attribution theory explains how individuals attribute causes to events or behaviors, whether to internal factors, example, personal traits, or external factors, example, situational factors. Stereotyping and bias. Stereotyping involves categorizing individuals or groups based on perceived characteristics or attributes and applying generalizations or assumptions to them. These stereotypes can lead to bias and prejudice in perceptions and interactions within the workplace, impacting decisions related to hiring, promotion, performance evaluation, and team dynamics. Perceptual errors, such as halo effect, recency effect, primacy effect, and confirmation bias, can distort individuals' perceptions and judgments. For example, the halo effect occurs when individuals form an overall positive or negative impression of someone based on a single characteristic or trait, such as physical appearance or initial impression. Perception plays a crucial role in communication processes, influencing how messages are encoded, decoded, and interpreted by senders and receivers. Differences in perception can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and breakdowns in communication within teams and across organizational levels. Leaders and managers must be aware of the role of perception in influencing employee attitudes, behaviors, and performance. They can promote positive perceptions by providing clear and consistent communication, offering constructive feedback, addressing biases and stereotypes, and fostering an inclusive and supportive work environment. By understanding the role of perception in shaping individual behavior, organizations can develop strategies to mitigate biases, promote open-mindedness and inclusivity, and enhance communication and collaboration among employees. This awareness can contribute to a positive and productive organizational culture where individuals feel valued, respected, and engaged.